Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 200 moving average on MetaTrader for mobile app. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MT4 app, then click on the F icon here at the top. Now click on F plus and choose moving average. It's under trend. Click on it. Then we have here period. You have here to add 200 like this. Now we have here method. You can choose between simple. So this is for SMA, and we have here exponential. This is for EMA. Okay, and we have smooth and we have linear weight. So for me, I will choose simple. For example, we have here style. You can choose the width or the thickness of the moving average line. So for me, I will keep it on 4 pixels, and you can change the color of that line from here. So let's choose, for example, this one and click on done. Now let's go back. And as you can see, this is our 200 moving average. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.